So, welcome to a new video of creating TicTacToe. We have the plan here created for TicTacToe. We have already inputs, we have outputs, and what we as well have is now started with a winning condition for TicTacToe. So, this is working here. What we have, we created a simple winning condition for just for this row here, and it worked. But now we need to put it also into the game. So let's put it here into the game, and we call it check winning condition. So this needs to be checked every time. Oh, maybe after the output of the field. So we want the output. No, I cut this here. What? Okay, can I undo this? Yes, I can Of course not. No, no, I cannot undo this. What's this? To paste cell below. Okay, okay, that works. Nice. So let's put this here into a function as well. We can put this here. So check winning condition. Yeah, we want this to be after the output of the field. And also we want this to be here after the output of the field. So we want to check the winning condition. And let's put this here into a function. So def check winning condition, and let's put the tab in here. Okay, now this should work. We check the winning condition. Actually, when the winning condition is met, we should also break this. But if winning condition, oh, I forgot to print here. Maybe let's do it like that. Return true. So if the winning condition is met, we return true, and we can say if winning condition is met, we will break the loop. And here as well, we need to break the loop. If winning condition is met, we break the loop because we don't want the game to go any further. We can and also we want to print out print player has won the game. So let's check whether this works. Okay, I still have a problem here, and this is the brackets are missing here, I suppose. Okay, nice. Again. Okay, as you can see, I always forget to clean up the field. So this is why we will now put this as well in here. So this will be the first thing we will do. And let's do this like that. And now we have a clean field every time. So player 1 puts in the X, player 2 doesn't matter, player 1, player 2 does not matter, player 1. So let's see. Player has won the game and we broke the loop, so it's not looping anymore. That's pretty nice. So player has won the game. But the problem, of course, we are still facing here is that the other the problem what we still have is, of course, we just have one combination, just one winning combination. So we need to fix this here as well and do it for every combination there is. So first, I think the first thing is would be it should be X or let's think about this. Yeah, let's do the full combination. This is probably not very elegant, but it will fix our problem at least. So if this or this, so how many combinations? We need 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This will also be very prone to error, but I just want to have this work at least. This can be always this can be improved, of course, by just looping. And for now, let's stick with that because it's the easiest way. If we had something like where 4 are in a row and the field would be bigger, then of course this would be a huge problem. Like this, but for TicTacToe, this will fit. So this is something we need, either that or we can copy later. Yeah, we can copy later. Okay, so now we have this for row 1 as well. This is also true for row 2. Now this is also true for vertical. Now we need to check, put in here the 1. Oh, I'm already getting so this one, this is for the rows and this is for the columns. So it's 0, 1 and then 1, 0 and 2, 0. Okay, so now next is for the next column 1, 0, 1, 1 and 1, 2, 2. Yeah, no, this is wrong. This is wrong. The 1, 0, we need not 1, 0, we need 0, 0, 1. Okay, okay. 0, 1. We need 1, 1, and we need 2, 1. That should be it. Yes, 0, 0, 0. And also we need here 2, 0 is this is 0, 2, 1, 0, 2, 2. Okay, that should be it. 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1 is correct. 0, 1, 2. Okay, now vertical 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, and 0, 2, 1, 1, and 0, 2, 1, 1, 2, 0 we need. 2, 0, and yeah, and 0, 1. That should be it. That should be it. Okay, nice. I hope it's correct. Let's see. So let's evaluate this again. Okay, some problem here. Oh, let's see. I have some brackets. Okay, we need another bracket here. Okay, nice. Okay, so let's check this and then let's check the vertical maybe 0, 2, 1, 1, and 1, 2, and now 2, 2. Player won the game. Very nice. Okay, awesome. So what can we? So this is working for X. We can now as well put this whole stuff. Copy this and just create this also for player Y. So return true. Let's just copy it for convenience reasons. So just need to put here in all the O's. I wonder if this is better if we put in here the 0, but now I decided on the O, so we stick on the O. And of course, in theory, this should be it's better done if you replace search, do some kind of search and replace. But let's now do it like that. And with this winning, this is the should be the other winning condition. So then we have if there's not an error somewhere, then this should actually work. So let me check. And also what we can say now, we can say who won because we know player 1 won the game here. And we know that player 2 has won the game here. Also, in theory, we wouldn't need test both, right? So we just need to check one. But let's just see whether this works. If expected indented block, or okay, this I think should do it. Nice. Okay, so let's play the game. 0, 1. Now let's say 0, 1, 0 for x. We want 1, 1. We want the oath to win, so let's do it like that. And let's say 2, 1. And nice, player 2 has won. So we have a perfectly working winning condition. And it's not very elegant, but it will do. So we have a winning condition. Let's see what else is missing. We can always improve the code, but for now this is working good. So we have the data structure, we have the winning condition. We do not yet have a valid input validation, and already show winner. Yeah, we just need to check now and validate the input, and then we would be done with the game, at least for what we have planned. And let's do that. So the only valid input for a gamer is 0, 1. So let's just create a function and call it validate input. So either the input, or let's also create a parameter, like call it maybe not input but imp. And the input should either be it should be either 1, 2, or 3. So 1, 0, or input 1 or input 2. So then we return true. And also what this is for a valid input, but also what we need is of course the field, because we also want to check whether the field that the player is putting their input on is empty. So so we actually need the input of the player, and we need to check it in a field. So what do we have here? We have let's do it like that, row, column, and input. So we are checking for, at first, whether row or column. We need to check it for both. Let's just do it like that. Row, row, row. And also the column has to be either one of them. So then this is a correct input. So yeah, see you in the next video. We will check the validation of the input there.